Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F54 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. When you have the same problem as mine, we try to surf on your internet but you can't do it. The first step, you must go back to the main menu and settings option, where we look general management function, in it date and time, and now we must switch on first function automatic date and time. After that all would work. We go back to the Google Chrome and try go to the Facebook again, or maybe something like yep. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.